All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. When you're recording about an iPhone, you got to record with an iPhone. So this is recorded on the iPhone Air. Love the iPhone Air. Anyway, this is about the new BENKS ArmorEdge case, man. This is going to be great. This is the color of my phone, so I already know what it's going to look like. BENKS has new logos too. This, though, is about the iPhone 18 Pro. So, folks, this confirms that the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 18 Pro are going to have the same body. So there you go. Some people are going to be asking about that, but we're going to get this on the iPhone 17 Pro, and we're going to show you what it's going to look like for your 17 and your 18. Just because this has 18 Pro on here, folks, this is actually a new case from BENKS, and I'm really excited to show it to you early here on this preview. This is really, really nice, and I think BENKS has done right by their consumers again. They changed their packaging. Remember how BENKS packaging used to be back in the day? It was really, they spent a lot of money on packaging. Well, you got to cut corners. BENKS products are very solid, and regardless of the packaging, the product is great. And you got to remain profitable. You know what I'm saying? But check this out, folks. God, this color is so beautiful. Oof, look at that. This is glorious. Now, BENKS is known for their ultra thin cases, but they've gotten into making like regular cases. And when they do extraordinarily well. I've noticed this, that when BENKS does a regular style case, if you will, like that covers the entire body of the case, people love that. Some people don't like ultra thin cases, but I do. But when it comes to BENKS, when they do something like this, it really stands out, and I could really appreciate what they're doing here. Look at this color. Look at how, I got to tell you, their new logo is pretty tight. It's pretty fire. If you don't remember their logo before, it's really nice. This is their new setup here. Now, seeing BENKS make a case like this is crazy. This is actually going to be my case of choice, but I got a one more thing coming up, so stay locked for that video. But anyway, this color right here, obviously you know why I like this color. It's as close to candy apple red as I can get for a phone case for the iPhone, and just a case, anything dealing with the iPhone at all. And then you got this gold around here. Let's get this official BENKS seal off. Woo. If it doesn't have the BENKS seal, folks, it's not official. So if it doesn't have that, it's not real. You got some BENKS branding right here, as you can see there. A little bit of BENKS branding and their new logo. Let me zoom a little bit. Look at their new logo. That is cool, right? Very cool. You get also a little bit of a close-up of the case itself. Look at that, man. Oof, that is beautiful. Is that not a beautiful case? That's beautiful. Let's zoom out. Now, this is a grippy case. You wouldn't think it from BENKS though, but this has got grip. And you guys know I love the size of the iPhone 17 Pro, which means I'll like the size of the iPhone 18 Pro. I probably won't get the 18 Pro. However, I'll retract that. I'll probably get the 18 Pro. But this size is perfect for me. I have the 17 Pro Max, but the 17 Pro is just the way to go for me for traveling. I've got to have a small phone in my pocket that's a powerhouse, and this is no exception. So if you look here, you've got all these ports on the bottom here. You go to the top, no cutout, no ports, no anything. It's like that on the iPhone as well. And then when you look here, you'll see ArmorEdge. Real brief right there. You see that little faint ArmorEdge branding? Really nice. Go into the interior here, you got all this open spacing here for shock absorbers. So if you drop your phone, which the people in my group will probably laugh because new screen protector just went on. I crack screen protectors, like it's just incredible. I don't know how it's not me, it's the quality of the screen protectors. Let's just call it like it is. But this is the new interior of the case. Fire. This is crazy. And I do have a MagSafe BENKS product right here. It's a different color, but that's how strong it is. Very strong. Very strong. Check out my Note 8 Fold Ultra video to see that in play. But this is nice. So let's bring in the iPhone. You got all this grip and just protection for the interior of your phone. This is nice. The gold is a very nice touch as well. Perfection. Perfection. I love it. I love it. Let's see if I can get it unlocked here. And yeah, chest out the buttons. Yep. Nice and tactile. Yep. Power button. Yep. Nice and tactile. Let's hit that camera button. Works. Perfect. This is the ultimate. Grippy, not too heavy, and I will be rocking with this one for sure for some time to come. I've got some more vacations coming up, and I always carry the small iPhone with me when I go, and I'll pick another Android phone to come with me. But this case is going to be great for my next destination that I'm going to. Color combination is perfect. But this is the BENKS ArmorEdge, and this thing is crazy nice. I really like this, man. This is a major win for BENKS with their new logo and the new design, the new grippy feel. I hope they do more cases like this. BENKS is known again for ultra thin, but this phone case has a lot of grip. And folks, this isn't just a design. This is texture. Texture all around this area here. And then this other part that's not textured is actually rubbery and grippy. So are we seeing something special here on the ports for the iPhone 18 Pro? What are we seeing here? Because if you see on the 17 Pro, it lines up a little different. It lines up good enough. All your speaker and Type-C and microphone all line up. But what are we seeing here for the iPhone 18 Pro? We have to stay locked for that. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. You know what to do. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.